Yo, what's good, learning machines? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm a little bit lazy. Just wanted to do a quick video camera showing my results here. So it's been 23 days. That is $96,000 just with one platform. I've got other places I make money and stuff, but that's just one platform. Here's another platform. Oops, sorry. $115,000 with adult marketing. So this is an adult marketing platform called Crack Revenue there. $115,000. That's about 3x to 5x profit in between there, because some of the money comes in just naturally with like free traffic. It just kind of just happens when you have your links out there in front of millions of people basically. So that's why it's in between, a number between 3 and 5 basically, return on investment. Then this one right here, this is all free traffic, baby. So this is just for my Cash Cow YouTube channel. I've shown this to, if you guys have been following me for a while, watching this, you know about that. I've never shared the Cash Cow channel because, well, I don't want to be copied necessarily, and I don't want people following me just to watch the videos and then they click away. They're just trying to learn and copy exactly what I'm doing. But I teach exactly what I'm doing, and I'm going to start doing more lifestyle content pretty soon, just sharing my life each day, and just having fun. Instead of doing the teaching videos, I'm going to put all my teaching videos behind a paywall. I'll still have the videos on the YouTube channel here, just kind of just sharing my information that I have with y'all. But I'm going to be launching something very soon. Stay tuned. It's going to be the best offer I've ever had for y'all. I'm going to be exceeding the price with value. I'm going to be giving so much value, you guys will freaking freak out about it. Okay, I'm just super hyped about it. I cannot wait. I mean, it's the best offer I've ever created, and I believe so strongly after learning from multi-millionaires and billionaires. They all say the same thing. I even say the same thing. It's all about the products, man. When you give to your customers a really great experience, you know, they are super happy and they keep coming back. That's what I want to give you guys. I will be launching an offer to y'all that is one of the best offers I've ever created in my life. And it'll be an offer that I will have forever and always be increasing the value of it forever for all of you. So stay tuned for that. Today, that's kind of my focus. I'm putting it all together. And it's been in the works for months on months, but it's one of those things that takes a lot of work to create. And it is just gonna blow your guys' minds. It's insane. So stay tuned for that. And hopefully this video motivates you. I'm just showing my results for today here and just kind of just holding the camera here, just kind of, and it's hard for me to just stay trained on the results here to show y'all. But I've surveyed y'all and asked y'all, hey, what's the content you guys like the most? You guys have all said you like the result videos of what I'm doing. So here you go. And how I'm doing this for adult marketing, I have a few campaigns running right now, but one very big one compared to the rest. The rest are basically little test campaigns, but the big one I've been running for this month and the month before, and it's been pretty profitable. It's not one of those things I can scale to $1 million, but I'd say so far in this month, in 23 days, $115,000, pretty dang good, you know? And then this is just all free traffic naturally happening. So in just this month, by the end of this month, it's going to be like $300,000 across everything, basically. A little over that, actually, but that's insane. So anyway, stay tuned for the end of this month. I'm going to give y'all something that exceeds the price of what it is by $1 million. You guys are going to be getting something better than any offer you've ever seen. And it's going to continuously be updated consistently, and it's just going to be insane. So that's all I'm going to say about it right now. And I'll talk about it probably every day. And anyway, just wanted to make this quick video and talk. Anyway, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, learning machines. Peace.